How to fix inverted camera on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Discord application on your device. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Discord application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Discord application over here. As you do that, tap on app info and make sure that you have the option of clear data over here at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, you'll be able to see the clear data option and clear cache option. So you can select whichever option is more convenient for you. Next, go to the app permissions and then make sure that you have toggle on the camera option. So as you do that, you can just tap on don't allow and then tap on allow again. So this might help you fix your issue of inverted camera on Discord. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.